Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip, it kind of sounds weird, but it's how can Kool-Aid help me with a leaky toilet? And I was kind of trying to figure this out myself. You always feel like, sometimes you always hear in the background, is my toilet running? There's your water bill going up and you don't know where it is. If you're always trying to figure out if there's a problem with your toilet, well, I found a solution online, and believe it or not, it works. So if you're thinking your toilet is constantly running and if there's a leak in it, what you need to do is if you go into the tank on the top of the toilet, take off the cover, and you put in a packet of Kool-Aid and let it sit and obviously put the lid back on. And you put your lid back on and you wait for about half an hour. At the end of the half an hour, go look in your toilet bowl, lift up the lid, and see if the water is clear or not. If the water is now the color of the Kool-Aid, that means your toilet has a leak. You should probably get a plumber in there, or you might have to replace that toilet. If it's all clear, that means there might be another problem somewhere else, maybe not with your toilet, but if the water bill's up, maybe you're taking too long of a shower. I don't know. But anyway, it's a great way to tell if your toilet is leaking or not. If it is leaking, like I said, there might be some internal organs inside of the toilet that you can do to replace. You might not have to replace the whole thing, but it's good to know if the toilet's leaking in general. Have a great day. Hope you found this tip helpful. Bye for now.